In this video, I will cover how I make the floor, folding and unfolding and testing of the boat. I modified the floor of my Gen 7 boat and use it on this boat. I spent $5 and bought a chair from Goodwill store. Then I marked places on the Coroplast and then I create holes and use zip tie to secure the chair onto this Coroplast floor. It is easier to use soldering iron to create the holes than using drill. I use a sheet of Coroplast to create a bracket. Then I use heat to fuse it onto the side of the boat. This process took about 2 minutes. I have to create 2 brackets, one on each side of the boat, so that I can slide the floor onto the boat. As you can see here, during my assembly of the boat, this prevented the floor from moving. It took me about 5 minutes to assemble this boat, and I look at it as pretty fair trade-off. I could have used other methods to close the bow and stern much faster, but I can build a boat faster with this method, and also it's very secure, very robust. If I use shorter lashings, I probably can trim the time for another 30 seconds. In my next revision, I will not need this orange lashing. With 6mm thick Coroplast, it was very difficult to come up with very precise folding of the boat. Therefore, it turned out the boat is about 36 inches wide. That's why I used the orange lashing just to hold it, so that it wouldn't spread even further out beyond 36 inches. Since the width of the boat is so wide, and I weigh only 140 pounds, therefore the freeboard is pretty high. It becomes more difficult to paddle, and this is something I need to change. I'm paddling against 1.5 knot to 2 knot current, and it seems to be going pretty well. Also, the boat doesn't turn as fast as my Gen 10. I think I can improve on that too, just because the width is too wide for me. Tracking seems to be okay for this short boat. As expected, this boat is super stable. I should have tried to stand on it.
Okay.
This boat is relatively light. It's about 15 pounds. It took less than 3 minutes to pack this boat. If we trim the length of the lashing, probably we can get it done much faster. In my next video, I will show you in details what I need to do to fix the issues. I have confidence in the next revision of this boat. It will be a really nice boat. And I have two friends wanting to build this kayak. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, so that when I upload the next video, you will be informed. Tell your friends about it too. Thanks for watching. See ya.